Meaning of Eduardo Paolozzi.
Eduardo Paolozzi.
Eduardo Paolozzi.
Eduardo Paolozzi.
Eduardo Paolozzi. Eduardo Paolozzi, 1924 to 2005, was a Scottish sculptor and artist who was considered one of the pioneers of the pop art movement. He was known for his collages, sculptures, and public art installations that incorporated everyday objects and industrial materials.
Paolozzi's work often explored themes of mass production, consumerism, and technology, and he was influenced by both surrealism and the avant-garde.
His distinctive style and innovative use of materials helped to redefine the boundaries of art in the 20th century.